Hello and welcome back to another video. All I want you to remember is this word 7,000 words. This is a number 7,000 words. I need you to remember this. Before we start the video and delve deeper into the topic, I want you to remember 7,000 words. So, did you know the average person types around 7,000 words per day? That's like typing War and Peace every single year. If you write 7,000 words every day, then it would take you 1 year to complete a book. So we write a lot, especially on our keyboards, typing keyboards while chatting on the cell phone. We type emails, reports, and messages non-stop. But here is the hard truth. Just because you're typing fast doesn't mean you're learning deep. So it's really very simple to understand. Typing is equals to transcription. Handwriting is equals to thinking. This is right, this is wrong. When we type, then our brains often go to autopilot, being on autopilot mode. We transcribe, but when we write by hand, we have to slow down, we have to synthesize. And today on this board, I'm going to show you why picking up a pen or using a dedicated writing device is the secret to unlocking better memory and creativity. You can unlock better memory and creativity by simply picking up a device, writing device, and start writing on it. I hope you can see this diagram of a brain. This is our brain. And the small orange dots, these are the small orange dots. This is the stimulation that your brain receives this is the minute stimulation your brain receives when you are typing something with the help of your keyboard or you're chatting on your cell phone. Research from the University of Tokyo shows something fascinating. When you type, only the motor cortex involved in finger movement lights up. It is efficient but shallow. But when you handwrite, large regions of your brain light up. And that's backed by science. Language centers, working memory, critical thinking. But why? Because handwriting is harder. Your brain has to work to form the letters, to summarize the ideas. That friction creates stronger neural pathways. I'll repeat this once again. So why is writing important? Writing is important because handwriting is harder to do. Your brain has to work to form the letters in your mind and then you transfer it onto paper. You also summarize the ideas in your mind and that friction creates stronger neural pathways. For easy understanding, typing is just data entry and writing is data processing. You start processing the data and that's a refined stage. And besides, for learning, you need that deep processing. For example, I'm delivering a lecture on radical responsibility. We'll divide into two sections, typing and writing. If I'm typing, I might just copy exactly word for word. My brain isn't filtering, it's just recording. Typing is just recording. It's like really basic level stuff that you're doing. But if I'm writing, I can't keep up with the speaker word for word. So my brain automatically summarizes. So as you know, when you're in a lecture hall and your teacher is teaching you, then you can't write word by word whatever he is trying to tell you. You can't write it down on a piece of paper or your journal or notepad. But what you can do is you can summarize the entire lecture that whatever the teacher is trying to teach you or the lecturer is trying to tell you, you summarize it. You start summarizing it in your brain and note down only the key points. You extract the core meaning and create a mental model which you can go back to and better understand the concept later. Now I know what you're thinking, that you can't carry paper everywhere. Wherever you're going, you can't carry paper alongside with you. And you love digital tools, you are right. Now I need you to remember this. The future isn't about rejecting tech or technology, but more about choosing the right technology. It's not about rejecting the technology, it's about choosing the right technology for your needs as per your requirements, so that you don't misuse or overuse the technology that is available for you in the market. Whether it's pen and paper or a dedicated e-ink writer, the goal is the same. Remove the distractions, force the synthesis, and engage your brain. So these are the three things that you need to focus on. Now the takeaway is, don't let speed fool you. If you want to master a new skill, learn a language or plan your business, stop typing your notes, start writing them. You need to stop typing your notes and start writing them if you want to achieve, if you want to master a new skill, learn a language, or plan your business. Then you need to stop typing and start writing it down on a piece of paper. Let the laptop be, grab a piece of paper, and let's see how well you can retain whatever you write on the piece of paper and see how much you can retain. Now, this is important. If you want tools that can help you write with clarity and purpose, check out the links in the description. Down in the description, I'll add some links. Properly designed tools for people like you who want to enhance or increase their writing ability. Check out the links in the description for my courses and software. Let's build better habits together. I'm Ramesh Kaisar, and remember, excellence is a habit. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.